Heading camping, to the pool, or beach? Ryobi's One Plus high volume inflator is just what you need. The high volume inflator blows air through at 210 liters per minute and at pressures of up to 0.5 psi or 0.034 bar, allowing you to quickly inflate your air mattress, paddling pool, or pool inflatables with ease. It can blow up a queen-sized air mattress in just 2 minutes. This high volume inflator can be used as a workshop blower, allowing you to quickly clear any workspace of dirt and debris mid-project. The inflator can also be used as a deflator. Simply attach the nozzle here. The high volume inflator features a lock-on trigger switch, letting you inflate larger items without suffering from any fatigue. A pinch valve accessory is included and has convenient onboard storage. When used with our 5 amp-hour Lithium Plus battery, the inflator can work for up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. This high-volume inflator is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your One Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the One Plus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this handy cordless volume inflator will work with any One Plus battery.